Hello friends, it's Kitty with you as always. In today's video, we will increase our balance from $100 to $1,000. I will do it all live, only with the help of technical analysis, and I will also teach you to do it. And at the same time, I will give you a nice bonus with which you will be able to copy absolutely all my transactions without doing anything else. So just watch the video till the end, enjoy watching, and here we go. At the moment we are on the pocket option. We are going to choose where we are going to trade. At the moment we have just the currency pair. You can trade on whatever you like. Here we have several currency pairs. Also on each currency pair there is a payout amount. So on the right side we see 92%. We choose where more is better. I will choose literally 6 currency pairs for the video so as not to make this video too long. Let's move on to the last currency pair for now. Today we are going to use only technical analysis. This is very important. As I said earlier, we have a balance of $100 exactly. So we also set the amount of the deal at the moment exactly $100. That's our full balance. Next we will have a time frame of 1 minute and candlestick trading. Everything is included in the settings, so who needs, just copy it. I also want to add that today we will have a fairly easy trading, so without strong explanations, just a light technical analysis so that you will understand absolutely everything. So you will understand and start trading by yourself. So time frame on our chart is a minute, as I said. So also the amount of trades, or rather the time of trades, we include 1 minute. And the promised bonus, so this is my free trade. So to get it, go to my Telegram channel, so the link is in the description as usual. So contact me and write me a message. I want free trading on pocket option and I will send it to you. I'll give you an idea, you copy it, paste it on pocket option, and all trades will be copied, and we move to the first currency pairs. Let's go. So we are already on the first currency pair and let's start trading with it. We open a trade here on the upside and always immediately proceed to technical analysis. This is very important in our situation. So we highlight the resistance level and the support level right away. I have highlighted it in yellow color to make it easier for you to see. Further, we see that there was a touch from the resistance level and accordingly we have a reversal in the lower position. But the previous red candle has a big shadow at the bottom and a large abundance of common red candles. And due to the last candlesticks, we see that we are trying to make a reversal in the upper position on the upside. Therefore, we opened our trade on the upside. So let's watch it. Guys, great, this trade is closing in profit, in plus, and in the lower left corner you have seen all our results. We will now move to the next currency pair on which we will continue our trading session. Here we are already on the second currency pair. Here the situation is a bit different. We will open a deal on the downside, and now I will tell you why. We see that at the moment the general chart is moving towards the upward trend, but why did we open the trade on the downside? See, I've shown you all the reversals so far, so they are always practically present in the up trend or in a downtrend. In this regard, we had a rather strong drawdown, so we can see from the shadows that the candle always tried to roll back to the upper position but failed. Thus, we are more likely to go into a downtrend on the downside. Here I'm drawing the general concept which we are just as likely to have if we even opened not on a 1 minute trade, but on a 10-minute trades, so it always helps very well. So let's keep an eye on this currency pair. There is a little bit left. If you are having trouble following trading indicators or are frustrated with your current trading results, then you're most likely losing money. This is where my free trading team comes in. Every day I share my trading signals with subscribers, giving you the opportunity to repeat them manually and automatically by connecting to my trading account. And it's very convenient for everyone. I'm ready to support you every step of the way, whether you just starting out or want to improve your skills. I will answer all your questions and provide clear instructions on how to earn $50 to $1,000 daily. Don't miss the opportunity. Join my Telegram group right now. Seating is limited, so act quickly to secure your spot. In my Telegram group, you will also find the real-time results from my new buy trading, showing their success and last issue. I will honestly don't sell anything, don't make contact or ask money for my subscribers. It's absolutely free. Join my Telegram group today and let's stay this journey together. Yeah, this trade once again closed in the plus side, just like the previous trade. So great, we see trading, it's quite easy, so never be afraid. I give everyone this advice, so don't afraid. We have already moved on the next currency pair. I'm not dragging out the video, I want to explain everything quickly, so not to lose the time. Here we have opened a trade on the up side. And now I will tell you why. So we see the global trend, we have an up trend. Of course, if we look at the whole chart, and then we see a small drawdown, and again we have a recovery of the general trend. So it's a rather popular figure, which I have drawn for you now, so some kind of recovery. It can work both in an uptrend or in a downtrend. I'm drawing a general concept for you so that you understand more about the situation in the market. So we always have ups and reversals. Now we are almost at the beginning and we will move to the resistance level. I will not draw anything more, so let's see if it will close in plus before the trade ends. So I think it will. We're going quite confidently, which is very pleasant. The deal also closed in plus, yes, the total profit amount, so to 192 bucks, and the balance is already 376 bucks. So nice. Always look at the resistance level which we have reached now, and I always ask you to consider the whole chart, the whole situation. So it's very important because many people forget about it, so that's why it's a huge mistake. A bit watch the chart. We see now we will move to the next currency pair. While the amount of the deal will change, slightly increased by 150 bucks. Let's rate the stakes, so to speak, and we will move to the next currency pair. Here we are on the next currency pair. The situation here is more complicated than on the previous currency pair, but nevertheless we will open a deal here on the upside and proceed as always to the technical analysis. The general chart is going down, it's a downtrend, but in the last moment we have consolidation, so we don't have an upward downtrend, but consolidation when the chart goes sideways. I will also teach you a little bit of theory. I recommend to skip such moments, but nevertheless. We are still moving in the last range, just as we can see to our resistance level. In this rectangle, I have highlighted the resistance level and the support level to make it easier to understand for you. And we see bumps, not confidently, but still we are moving to the resistance level. And I remind you that all these trades can be copied absolutely free in my Telegram channel, so go. So you link to e-connector. I open these trades and they are automatically copied and opened for you as well. You can trade without actually trading, so that's the dissonance. So let's try. I also show you the payout percentage at the moment, so the higher the better. Remember that the norm is 80%. 80. And we have already moved on to the next currency pair, and then we will open a trade on the upside. Here the deal is probably one of the simplest, but at the same time a little risky. We can see from the candlestick shadow that the candlestick is pulling back, but it cannot pull back to the lower position, thus we continue to have a general growth on our chart. We see that I have highlighted a large number of green and most importantly the most voluminous candle in the uptrend on our chart. We had the first resistance level here, and the next one we have already reached and we're overcoming, but most likely we will overcome it. As I repeat, the trend is strong and we will start moving to the third resistance level, which I have highlighted. We see that our candles are quite confident, we have no pullbacks as such, which is very pleasant for us. So I recommend you to look for such situation to open trades. This is an ideal situation. So great. This deal also closed in plus. We caught a lucky break and all the trades are plus, which is very great. We have 6 currency pairs. This is what the 5th one. Also, dear traders who have watched until now, I want to recommend you a very fat bonus. And this is not only copying trades, as I said, but just getting free trades if you want to trade completely by yourself. Also, guys, go in my Telegram channel and subscribe, so everything is absolutely free. All my trades are published there as well. You just copy them, nothing so complicated, and we're already on the next currency pair. Let's open a trade on the upside and slowly start the general technical analysis. So what can we see here? Well, let's highlight our level of the position we opened on and compare it with the previous one. Here we see I have drawn 2 approximate squares. We see that the concept is the same, so it is up raising, down raising, down raising, and there is a cycling moment. It happens very often, and that's why we opened a trade on the upside. There was a general decrease. Here there was a general increase, so most likely we will come out with you in the plus. Last time we came out in the minus. I mean, the previous chart went down. Now we are more likely to come out just in the upper position because the general concept we have, it's exactly an uptrend. So I always recommend to evaluate specifically the general chart itself. So the trade closed plus, guys, profit $288, dear traders. This is the end of our little trade. We can see that we already have $790 on our balance, so slowly we're growing more and more and more. I don't want to drag out the endings. The settings you have all seen, so the technical analysis I also try to understand, to explain to you, so you to understand. Don't forget about my bonuses, so go to the Telegram channel, my Telegram channel, contact me, scroll it, read something interesting in my Telegram channel. So I advise you to go right now. The link is in the description. So over time you will learn quite easily with my help, with the help of my videos, with the help of my Telegram channel. So also like, subscribe, please write comments. I'll be very blessed to read about did you like my videos or is it bullshit. So please write comments. I will read absolutely all. So thank you all for watching, guys. It was Kitty with you. See you soon. Bye bye.